Why burden your heart with worry over what is already decreed? Everything is in Allah's hands. To overthink what cannot be changed is to lose yourself in foolishness. Pause. Reflect. Realize deeply that this present moment is all you ever truly have. When confusion clouds your path, ask yourself, does this matter in my journey to Allah? Worry pretends to be necessary, yet it serves no real purpose. Anxiety, tension, stress. These are the shadows of too much future and too little presence. Remember the words, never will we be struck except by what Allah has decreed for us. He is our protector. No guilt can alter the past, and no amount of worry will ever change the future. If your heart resides with Allah, nothing in this world can frighten you. Detach yourself from the fear of what is beyond your control. This is the essence of faith. So do not weaken and do not grieve. You will be superior if you are true believers. Your remedy lies within you, yet often you fail to sense it. Your sickness comes from within, yet you do not perceive it. Step back from being consumed by your thoughts and emotions. Instead, become the awareness that watches them. Focusing on what is out of your control only pulls you further from peace. He who overcomes his fears gains freedom. He who overcomes overthinking gains tranquility. And those who strive for us, we will surely guide them to our ways. Indeed, Allah is with the doers of good. Worrying over material things is a sickness. The cure lies in spiritual contentment. The truth is, suffering itself is part of life's essence. It refines us. To gain what you love, you must first learn patience with what you dislike. Anxiety arises when we forget that Allah is the ultimate controller. Focus your heart on your deeds, not on things beyond your reach. Trust that Allah does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear. With hardship comes ease, always. This promise is repeated twice in the Quran to remind us, ease is on its way. A heart that trusts in Allah is free from needless worry. Do not despair of Allah's mercy, for despair belongs only to those who disbelieve. Seek peace in Allah's decree, and you will find peace in every step you take. Whoever relies upon Allah, He is sufficient for them. Fear only Allah, and you will find that no worldly concern can consume you. Trust in Him as the birds do. They leave in the morning hungry and return in the evening full. In this fleeting world, peace lies in surrender. The greatest fruitfulness and joy in life come from embracing what Allah has written for us. Live in trust, live with purpose, and live in peace.